everybody, today we're going to be unboxing an Xbox One. I got it from Microsoft with us. So let's see what's in this boy and yeah. So it's in a kind of bubbly sealing. There's the Xbox One. Still new. As you can see, it's got the plastics on. Okay, this is the back. Got your power cord, HDMI in, whatever this is, HDMI out, 2 USBs, Kynet, and internet cable, and the audio thingy. This is your sealment to prove that you haven't opened the Xbox One. You got your sync button over here, you got your USB there, and you got your power right here, and you got your display right there. Please sure to leave a like and sub to the channel, and I will be doing gameplays soon as I get this guy set up and hooked up. Thank you for supporting the channel, and like the video and sub. Thank you.